If you want to make a file invisible in your computer, you can use various methods depending on your operating system. Right-click on the file you want to hide, select Properties, and check the hidden attributes. This will make the file hidden, but it can still be visible if the option to display hidden files is enabled. You can create a hidden folder to store your files. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, and check the hidden attribute. The folder will become hidden, and any files placed inside it will also become hidden. You can use third-party software like Hidden File Tool or Wise Folder Hider to hide files and folders. These tools offer more advanced features for hiding files and can provide an extra layer of security. To find hidden files or folders after you have hidden them, follow these steps. Open File Explorer. Press Windows key +E to open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where the hidden file or folder is located. In the File Explorer toolbar, click on the View tab. Check the hidden items. Checkbox in the Show or Hide section. This will display the hidden files and folders in the current directory. Hidden files or folders will now be visible along regular files. You can now interact with them like any other file.